Alright, so we're still gaining weight, and my favorite meals is making shakes, fruit shakes full of protein and carbohydrates, and you can eat it before meals. So just make some quick preparation, and basically you can mix anything, it's up to your taste. So yeah, let's begin with, you can use some juice, milk, double cream if you want even more calories, whatever. So everything's quite simple. Like a little bit, yeah, some natural proteins. And if you have some seeds or nuts, yeah, but for seeds, nuts, and if you want to make it cold with ice, you need a quite good blender. So I'm happy with that. It's powerful enough. You can make really nice shakes, but if your blender is quite cheap and don't have enough power, so I guess nuts and some kind of seeds would be not the best choice. Okay, so we can add, we have full cream powder, so you can add a bit. So here you have 25% of protein and almost 50% of fat, good fat. I hope it's a good one, but still I'll add a bit olive oil. Just a little bit so it doesn't make change any taste. So each time I just make let's say different kind of experiments. So you can take any fruits, maybe like grapes, or you can add apple, like sour or sweet one. It's up to your choice. So you add some bananas, carbohydrates, quick enough. So how many, it depends how sweet you want to make. And some dried fruits can be good. Okay, we'll cut it for make it blend quicker. So I think I'll put some more. And yeah, if you make the same shake every day, you will be tired from it for the next week. You cannot look at it even. But if you do like new one every day, so probably it's always new taste and you can eat it quite a lot and hopefully gaining your weight. But sometimes, yeah, sometimes it's surprise. You mix something, especially with greens and spices, and it tastes like terrible, and you don't want to waste the product and drink it anyway. Ginger, I add some ginger. Little bit can make like very interesting taste, and also mint. May be okay, but some kind of like greens, let's say basil or dill, this can make really strange taste. So you can try, you like it or not. Let's add some carrot. Carrot can be good. Beta carotene, the natural one. So it basically some certain recipe, so each time I just make something new, and I already know what ingredients I like to mix, so you can play with that around the week time, and what ingredients I don't like to mix. Kiwi, vitamin bomb, it's like a lot of different vitamins there, so this might be a good choice as well. And some shakes you make for body cleaner or kill your bad worms and so on. So you add some grass or like papaya seeds, watermelon seeds, and different kind of seeds. So they not taste good. So you need to make less seeds, more fruits, or make it taste nicer. We can add, for make more protein, if you use a protein powder, you can add it, or if you want more carbohydrates, like slow carbohydrates, you can add some flour, like maybe wheat flour or corn flour or any other flour, oats flour, but it's supposed to be natural. There should be everything inside. So about flour, I'll give more explanation later on. I think it's going to be ready. Let's try it. Should be enough. So don't make a big portion on the first time, just try it. If you like it, you can make some more. I think it will be enough, but if you put there some nuts or seeds, I think you need more time for it. So let's check. Yeah, still have some pieces of carrot and banana, so I think we put it for a bit longer. Amazing. I don't know, fruits like it's amazing. Actually, you cannot feel any olive oil or ginger. I think even you put like piece of garlic, you will not feel it anyway. But it's really good. So let's get in way together. Have a big muscles, getting stronger and more healthier.